thought we could make paintbrushes using materials you can find in your own yard. When collecting materials, think about the texture and lines each item would make. I decided to make 3 brushes, each with a different material to give me multiple texture options. When it comes to putting your brushes together, you could glue your bristles onto the handle, or you could tie them on using twine or thread. Use whatever method works with what you've already got lying around the house. Feeling artsy? Decorate your handles with a bit of paint, thread, or bling. All that's left to do after that is paint.